Well, these giraffes certainly don't want a sore throat, but if you have one, let's talk about which essential oils can be helpful to soothe your throat. There are 3 great ones that I want to talk about: lemon, tea tree, and lavender. What might surprise you is that the blend in this video is made in a cream and gently massaged onto your neck and throat, and it's very effective. Another surprise is that we're going to use just 18 drops of essential oil and dilute it into 1 ounce, 30 mils of cream. And that blend can last for many weeks, even if you use it daily. Hi, I'm Andrea Bouget, founder of Aromahead Institute. And this recipe, it's called 3 Great Sore Throat Oils, is so calming if your throat hurts. We're gonna make it in a 1 ounce jar, and I already filled this one with cream. This is unscented cream. And our first oil is lemon. And lemon is just such a great one if you're not feeling well overall. It's very anti-infectious, and it's going to really help clear up whatever's causing that sore throat for you. So we have 8 drops of lemon. And not to mention how refreshing the aroma is. So I'm gonna put 8 drops right into the unscented cream. And there's 8. And then our next oil is tea tree. And we have 6 drops of tea tree that's going in this cream. Now, tea tree, so refreshing, the aroma. Tea tree is an amazing oil for any sort of infection, and it is just perfect if your throat is hurting to help clear up whatever's causing that. So we're gonna put in 6 drops. And also I wanna mention that tea tree is generally a perfect one if you feel like you're getting sick, if you're already sick, if you're congested, all of that, you definitely wanna have tea tree on hand. Now lastly, we have 4 drops of lavender going in this blend. And lavender is such a wonderful oil if you're feeling like, if your throat's feeling hot, if it's feeling painful to swallow, if your glands are a little swollen. Lavender, wonderful. So 4 drops of lavender. All right, there we go. 1, coming out a little slow. 2. Perfect. All right, and then you can just take a glass stirring rod and you can stir the oils into the cream and just stir it for a little bit to make sure it gets mixed in really well. And then once you've got it all stirred up, you can literally just put the cream right on your throat. You can put it on your chest, you can put it on the back of your neck, and it will bring relief, it will feel cooling, and really support you getting better very fast. I hope you enjoy it. If you want to get to know lavender essential oil better, I created an online class called the Lavender Spotlight. In the class, I include exciting recipes. I teach an introduction to lavender's essential oil chemistry. That's really fun to learn. You also learn about blending for children, making body butters with nourishing carriers, and as a bonus, I guide you through the aromas, the medicinal properties, and the energetics of 8 other essential oils. I'll go ahead and put the link to the class below in the description, and you can click that to check out the Spotlight.